Here is the starting point where Great Wall embraces the Bohai Sea. Here is Qinhuangdao, a coastal paradise named by emperors. On this land, renowned both at home and abroad for its rich history, beautiful nature, divine favor, a company that stands firmly at the pinnacle of the global chestnut industry was born, Qinhuangdao Yanshan Chestnut Company Limited. Located at the throat of North China and the gateway to Northeast China, Qinhuangdao's comprehensive transportation network ensures that Yanshan chestnuts can be freshly and quickly delivered to all parts of the country. Here is a 30,000 mu organic chestnut base located at the eastern foot of the Yanshan Mountains and beneath the Great Wall, with massive chestnut trees flourishing under lush foliage and heavy fruit. The geology here is nice, rich in minerals like potassium, sodium, and iron. When weathered into soil, it not only provides nutrients but also offers excellent drainage and aeration, providing excellent conditions for the growth of chestnut trees. Every day, chestnut farmers arrive at the chestnut orchards early in the morning to harvest chestnuts, forming long queues to wait for delivery. At this time of year, Qinhuangdao Yanshan Chestnut Company Limited dispatches experienced staff to inspect, collect, grade, and carefully select chestnuts before transporting them to the company's dedicated chestnut cold storage. Here is home to the largest cluster of chestnut cold storage facilities in the production area, comprising 22 units with a total storage capacity of 15,000 tons. Here is the chestnut shelling and processing workshop of Yanshan Chestnut Company. Neatly arranged inside are the 6th-generation carbonization chestnut shelling machines, independently developed by the company's technological innovation team. A single shelling machine can shell 1.5 tons of chestnuts per hour, which is 30 times the rate at which 5 people can manually shell 50 kilograms of chestnuts per hour. It can process 100 tons of shelled chestnuts per day. Here is the work site of the chestnut kernel sorting robot. After the carbonization shelling machine removes the shells from fresh chestnuts, the company uses robots to sort them to improve sorting efficiency and accuracy. The chestnut kernels are automatically removed by a multi-channel sorting machine, eliminating unqualified kernels such as those with black spots, spoilage, breakage, or with the skin still attached. The daily capacity of sorting chestnuts kernels is 70 tons. After sorting, the qualified chestnut kernels are washed and dried before proceeding to the next process. Here is the frozen chestnut kernel production line. Strictly selected chestnut kernels enter the spiral quick freezing machine, which quickly starts up, with the double spiral stainless steel tunnel operating continuously. This allows the chestnut kernels to be rapidly frozen at low temperatures, locking in their unique aroma. The daily quick freezing capacity can reach 80 tons. Here is the company's low-temperature storage warehouse cluster. Frozen products are stored in an orderly, systematic, and categorized manner, fully meeting the requirements for low-temperature frozen storage of chestnut kernels. Here is the chestnut kernel filling workshop. Employees are systematically coating on chestnut kernel packaging bags. Conveyor belts continuously transport semi-finished raw materials to the sorting table, where all raw materials undergo metal foreign object detection by a metal detector before proceeding to the bagging stage. Here is a fully automated chestnut kernel filling production line. The entire filling process is fully automated, including weighting, filling, nitrogen filling, and sealing. After sealing, all products undergo comprehensive quality inspection and pass through an X-ray machine for examination. The single-shift production capacity reaches 400,000 bags of chestnut kernels. Here is the high-temperature, high-pressure sterilization workshop for chestnut kernels. The sterilization equipment is not only numerous but also large and long, sterilizing 90 trays in a single cycle, twice the capacity of a standard sterilization retort. The sterilization equipment and parameters have been tested and verified by authoritative organization. Key operating parameters are stored paperless, and the sealed chestnut kernels reach a commercially sterile state after high-temperature sterilization. The air dryers are currently running, and the chestnut kernels' finished products are ready for packaging and shipping after the drying process. Here is the chestnut kernel packaging workshop. Employees are busy carrying out packaging tasks in an orderly manner, while inspectors check each product one by one before packing them into boxes. Here is the finished chestnut kernels warehouse. Neatly and properly stacked chestnut kernel products await dispatch at any moment. Yanshan Chestnut Company always adheres to the principle of quality first and uses advanced technology to strengthen quality management. From X-ray scanning to metal detector selection, from oxygen testing, tensile testing, and laboratory testing to sealing and placement in insulated boxes, each step is intricately interconnected to ensure zero oversights. Here is the international certification wall of Yanshan Chestnut Company, which embodies the company's core philosophy of quality-oriented approach and has earned full recognition and trust from domestic and international clients. Yanshan Chestnut Company has always placed the talent development as the cornerstone of corporate growth and revitalization on the top priority. It not only fully respects its veteran employees and works together to maintain its excellent work tradition, but also emphasizes talent acquisition and cultivation. The company has gradually built a high-caliber and capable talent team integrating R&D and production management, comprising 50 craftsmen with 20 years of experience, 6 master's degree graduates and more than 20 undergraduates in related majors. We must not neglect quality in pursuit of development, nor forget the chestnut farmers. From stringent selection during procurement to full process traceability and processing, we ensure both the excellence of our products and stable sales channels for the farmers. By winning the market with quality and supporting farmers through industry development, such growth is solid and sustainable. Only in this way can we foster the healthy and enduring advancement of the chestnut industry.